as far as Wet and Wild is concerned, a friend of mine here on YouTube said she didn't think that they're gonna put it up either because it's already the 5th and they haven't put it up. So at first Wet and Wild was saying soon. At first they weren't answering, then they were saying soon, and then they announced that Target, Walgreens, Walmart, and Ulta will have it. And then they put, and always at wetandwild.com, and they keep advertising these new things, new looks, and they say, get it on our website, but it's not on the website. So we already know they don't always have it on, because look what they did with this over the summer. They didn't have the summer collection, the neon collection. But anyway, so they I don't know, we're already on the 6th. So we're on the 5th and it still isn't up. I had to go out with my husband. He had a doctor's appointment. So I just ran some errands. I went to I think I went to one CVS and 2 Walgreens. CVS had nothing, and they didn't say CVS would get anything. And CVS said that they got like a little bit of the cheapy Halloween makeup, and they said they're already getting ready for Christmas. They're already ready to put out their holiday stuff. I went to Ulta, so I went to 2 Walgreens, and they had it, and they had something that none of the other ones I've seen have. And this is like an extra large purple, whatchamacallit, an extra large like purple face sponge, but they have the bat like they did last year. They just have like a medium sized pink, or the little orange ones. They don't have one this big, so I grabbed it. So again, that's what I'm saying. Like Walmart's not going to get everything, only when they put up on their website. So anyway, I did go back to Walmart, and they had 2 whites left, and now I wish I picked up both, because I was thinking, although my friend told me you could do with lash primers too, but I have pink, green, purple, and blue already mascaras, but no yellow, red, and orange. And just for fun, I would have liked to have done that. And I even have gray. I still have my gray from MAC. So if they do have it on the website, I'll probably pick up 2 more of these, and I'll pick up the green, the little green mummy one. The reason why I wanted the green mummy one is because I guess when I was a little girl, I'm thinking about Universal when they had, Frankenstein and Dracula and the mummy and the werewolf. So that I'll probably pick that up. But I didn't like the Harley Quinn. I think the butterfly was cute. I'm trying to think, and then you have the King one, and they so far they keep advertising the Hollow Queen one, and they keep saying find it on our website, but it's got stuff that is not on their website that you cannot find on their website. You might be able to find at Walmart, but yeah, so. Like I said, they have that, and so I would just like to have picked up the little mummy one just to be consistent with the vampire and the Frankenstein that they did last year. So yeah, this was at Walgreens only. So yeah, I don't know what's happening with that. Oh, and then I went to Ulta. This was Friday. It's October 2nd on Friday. I went to Ulta. And they said that, it's too soon to put out Halloween. I said, it's already October. What do you mean it's too soon? They said, if we get Halloween, we're not putting up the new stuff till Sunday. So if you go with the Ulta website, they only had, at first they had this one sponge only, the black one. And then they took it off. And then all they have is like the black eye crayon, the face crayon. 2 of the gems. There's 4 gems in the collection, little gem packets, and 2 of the stencils when there's at least 3, maybe 4 stencils. So that's nothing. So I called up yesterday. The big thing was the Hocus Pocus release. My brother told me there was about 50 people online on Sunday morning to get it. But maybe only half of those were there for the actual Hocus Pocus release. Because you know the Hocus, if you know the story, ColourPop did Hocus Pocus and it sold out in 5 minutes. I don't think they had enough to cover the demand. And Ulta, you couldn't even order it from the Ulta website. You had to go to the store. And so my brother was like the first online for that. He got it for his wife and for his daughter. So, I asked them, did you see anything for Halloween? They said no. All they saw for Halloween would have been Hocus Pocus. So I called my local store, and that's all they have. They said they got a couple of things. They didn't even get a display. And that it was just that. It was just like 1 pencil, 2 gem packets, and like 2... Oh, and they got the paint pot in black and white. That's it. That's it. I'm like... But anyway, they said maybe they'll get more later on, but that's all they got to put up for this week. So anyway, yeah, that's the news with that. At least I was able to track down the stores they said they did have it at, because Target had a small side panel display, and it had very little in it. I took pictures, so I'll show you, but the Ulta one year they had a ginormous display, and they had all the stuff on their website. They had more stuff on the website than they had on the display. So I'm not sure what's going on with they have 6 items out of the 50 items that they're supposed to come out with. So I don't know what's up with that.